Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So, hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. So, first thing first, let's go ahead and get our meat into our pot. Now, this here is ground turkey, y'all. Ground turkey. Now, check it. Don't forget to give your boy that LSS. Just that like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Now, once we get our meat in, we gonna give it a little stir. Now, once that meat cooks down a bit, we're gonna go ahead and get in our veg. Now, our veg is 1 whole onion, 1 whole bell pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, and 2 stalks of celery. Then we're gonna go ahead and give that a little stir. Get everything all incorporated together really well. Oh yeah, it's looking good, y'all. It's looking good. Now once we get all that mixed up well, we're gonna let this sit for about 5 to 6 minutes. And then we're gonna start adding in our tomato paste, which is 1 can. One small can of tomato sauce. Now this is a 8-ounce can. And we're gonna do about 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Now we're gonna add in a 1/2 cup of chicken stock. Now my chicken stock was in the refrigerator and it froze a little bit. That's why it look a little icy, y'all. But that's okay. Ain't nothing wrong with that. And now we're gonna mix all those flavors together. Get them liking each other. Now it's time for our seasoning mix, y'all. Now we're coming in with a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. 2 tablespoons of cumin. 2 tablespoons of chili powder. And you know I gotta get at least a tablespoon of that cayenne. And then 2 tablespoons of oregano. Let's mix that on together. Now, you didn't notice I didn't add any salt. We're gonna add that at the end when we do our tasting, y'all. Now we're gonna mix everything together really well. Now it's time to add in some more veg. See, I like a little corn in my chili. I mean, this is totally optional. So I add me a can of corn and a can of black beans. Now, some people like to use chili beans. That's fine. Me, myself, I love them black beans though, y'all. Really do. So once we get that in, let's go ahead and get everything mixed up. together. We're gonna mix this and combine everything up really well. And after everything get mixed up really well, we're gonna let this sit and simmer on medium low for about an hour to an hour and a half. And then now, of course, it's time for our taste test. Of course, we needed salt, so we added about 2 tablespoons. And guess what, y'all? It's time to plate up. Time to plate up. Now, once I get my chili plated, oh my goodness, I'm gonna make this just a little bit unhealthy, y'all. Just a little bit. I gotta come in with me with at least a spoonful of sour cream, some green onion, and of course, some cheddar cheese. Oh yeah. Now my wife love this chili. She love her some chili dogs. But anyway, y'all, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.